Good everyone, you're welcome to this video. To my new and new subscribers, you're welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to divide your screen or how to split your screen. Alright, this video is basically for those that teach online. Maybe you want to show them something on your screen and you need to split the screen into two. As you can see, the screen is splitted into two. I have this here, I also have this here. So in this video, you're going to understand how to split your screen into two. Don't forget to share this video if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the post notification bell so that whenever I drop an amazing video like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. Please drop your comments, share massively. Without wasting much of our time, let's head over to CapCut. So here on CapCut, just go over to new project and select your video. Now this is my video, right? So let me just split. Can you see split? Now delete here. The first thing you're going to do is to what? Can you see this aspect ratio? Now this aspect ratio is going to give you that privilege to split your screen, to add 2 or more videos to your screen. All right, so we are working with this aspect ratio, very important. Now go over to the aspect ratio. Now under this aspect ratio, all right, the best aspect ratio to choose for this kind of tutorial or for this kind of video is towards 1 by 1. Just select 1 by 1. Now immediately you select 1 by 1. Now you're going to have the privilege to adjust your video. Can you see now? You can adjust it to one side. Can you see now? Immediately I adjust it to one side. As you can see, we have a free space here. So all you just need to do is to go over to overlay. Can you see? Go over to overlay, add overlay. Now can I select this? Now let me add this. Add. So immediately I add this on. Now you can now bring it here, and zoom it, adjust it. Can you see? Your screen has been splitted into 2. As you can see, it is very straightforward. All right, this is how to split your screen using your CapCut. I believe that this video is very helpful. So once you are done, all you just need to do is to export your video. Very simple. To split your video, it is not that difficult. All right, it is not that difficult. All right, now this is how to split or divide your screen using CapCut. Don't forget to share this video, subscribe to this channel, share this group to as many groups as possible. Thank you for your time. I will see you in my next video.